Hello guys, welcome to Breeze07 YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to convert your big size video to a smaller size using this application called handbrake. So let's just open this one. Now this is the application that I'm using when I am going to upload a video on YouTube. So first I need to convert it to make it lesser than the original size of the video. So for example, we have here a video that has a size of 944,777 kilobytes or 944 megabytes. So we will going to convert that and make it lesser size using the application. So this is the application. This is free tools that I am going to link on the description below. Now once you have installed this handbrake, just drag a file here, a video file here, or you can just simply click this one here and locate the videos that you want to convert. So for example, I have my video on desktop, and scroll down this one here and display details. So let's just sort it to size, sort by size. So we'll see 944 megabytes. So we'll choose that one. Now that you have selected your video, you will see a screen like this. Now let's just do a simple custom settings here. Just in here on the summary tab, just choose MP4 and web optimize. So that's it for this tab here. And then by the way, the presets, we'll just choose it to legacy, and then let's just choose normal, and in summary just check the web optimize, and next would be the videos. So here we'll just go to leave this video codec as is. So the next thing we need to do is go to audio and choose 1 to 8 bitrate. As you can see, I've chosen 128 bitrate. So next is in the chapters and the subtitles. So that's it guys. Once you have done this settings customization, change the bitrate to 128 and the video codec is here, leave that as is, and also on the dimension just choose that one, and in the summary just choose the web optimize. So that's it. Now let's go and click the start encode. Oops, there's an error that please choose a destination. Okay, so we'll choose a destination for the output of the video. As you can see here, the video file is saved as, so we'll just copy the name of this video so you can see the difference. So we'll copy the name of this video and go back to our application here, and then let's just click this browse at the bottom top right corner, and just paste the name of the video and just put underscore edited, so you will see the difference of the original size of the video and the converted videos using handbrake. So that's it. Let's click save, and then we will just click again the start encode, and now as you can see at the bottom corner, the conversion is now started, as you can see. So once the video is completed, you will see successful here. You will see this one. Oh, let me focus. Once it reaches to 100%, the video will completely in conversion. So let's just push the video. Now we are at 94% currently on the video that we are converting. So as you can see here, let's just wait until it completed. So as you can see here, you will see that the video is done converted. Once you see this one here, Q is finished, and let's just check the output of this video that we put on this folder here. So let's just drag that one, and as you can see, this one here, it has the same at this here. So we know that this is the video that we are currently editing. Let's just refresh that. Well, now see the difference. Now the before, it is 944 MB, and now it has 77 MB. So let's just play so you can see that the video is still the same. So this is the original video. I will play the video. So as you can see, this is the original video. See? And it has a video length of 9 minutes. So this is the original video. Now next, we will just check the edited converted videos. So just open this one here, and as you can see, there's no difference. The quality is still the same, you can see, and of course the important thing is the length of the video is still the same. So we'll just go here, and yes, the video is not corrupted. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you for your video conversion.